Merry Christmas, everyone! You might be thinking what I'm holding. It looks like a present. Well, it's going to be a big surprise when you look in. Well, it says look inside. So let's see what's inside. What? An elf? Okay, this is crazy. There's an elf having sweets inside this. Okay? So I am going to show you how to make this. Alright? So let's start. So the materials are, you need some sketch pens and a plain white paper. You fold it like this. Don't fold it in half. Then it won't be that good. Then you fold it again. If you make a small mistake, it's okay. I also made a mistake. Then you need to put it horizontally so you can draw the present. You take a black sketch pen, then draw a present on the paper. Like this. Then you draw this bump on top. Draw two rocks like this, and then on that you need to draw some of these to make it look like a present. Then you draw one line down inside the present. Don't do it outside. And we are finished. You can also put one side to side too, okay? So I'm just putting it this way. So next you draw one curved line like this, okay? Look. You need to write look and then write inside. So it's inside. Then you draw one rectangle like this. Insides. Okay? It's okay if you make a small mistake. Okay? It's just a mistake. It's alright. Well, if you give it to anyone, they will still love it. Next, you need to draw something inside it. Well, also you have to draw an outlining again here. You can also follow the sketch pen marks. That's why I'm using a sketch pen. So we are going to draw an elf, a tiny little elf. Then you draw a line, make it like this, a shape. Then you draw a triangle and then a ball. Then you draw two circles like this and a smile. So that will be the elf's face. And also you draw the line here. And then you draw like this. And then one arm sticking out. Like here. And then like this. You need to curve it a little bit, okay? Don't make it straight. And it's okay if you do it accidentally. Then you draw little gloves like this. Then you make something like this. And you will draw a line here and another one here. Then draw something like this, okay? And then color it with the black sketch pen. And then you draw something like this. And this is going to be the fluffy shoes. The shoes are done. Now we need to finish the coat. We need to do like this and this, and we draw a line on both. So our elf is done. So you can draw anything on it. Okay? That represents Christmas. So in the first drawing I showed you, there were cakes and pastries. Like this. See? Had a cupcake, a candy cane, some donuts, and some cakes, and one big cake here. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to draw a reindeer beside the elf. We are going to draw a curve like this and up it goes. And then you draw something like this and then down. And like this. A curve here. It's just like a pony but different. You just draw one thing like this, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect too. You can also draw a round eye. Draw a round eye and then like this and two circles. So that's Rudolph's eyes and then a nose. Draw and then a line there. This is going to be quite difficult. Now it's going to be quite difficult. You go like this and like this, okay? And then the other side like this and another one, but don't curve it, okay? You can make it like this and like this. Then you can draw something like this, making the knee up like this and another leg. Need to draw a little upwards so it looks like it looks good actually. In that, and then you draw these lines on the hoofs, and then draw this line, like draw tiny little lines on it, and then color it with your black sketch pen, and just draw a little more. There, now his hoofs are done. The tail is quite easy. You just draw something like this and then down. It's just like drawing a dog tail. And a little line here. You can't color this line, okay? It should be white. Now you can color Rudolph's eyes with this, so it looks good. Next, if you have a red color, put it on the nose. So that's Rudolph's nose. Then you can draw a little ears here and you can shade it with red too if you want. Rudolph is done and the elf is done. So you need to outline the present. You can put any color for the elf costume. Any color. You can do red, yellow, blue, green, a lot of colors. Anything you have you can put. So I don't know which one to choose. I like this one. So I'm putting this color. I'll show you when it's complete. Now I'm done. Now look, it's so nice, right? And now let's look inside. And here it comes. Cool, isn't it? Isn't it cool? There's a carrot, so the reindeer can eat, and I gave the elf the color I wanted. You can put any color you want for the present, elf or reindeer and carrot. It can be rainbow, any color. I hope you like this video. So please watch more. And thank you.